Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll show you lower body functional strength. I posted a few videos about this and then I see good views, and I do believe that maybe more people find it useful, so I decided to record once in a while another version, another way how you can improve your lower body at home using the wall. That's why I'm closest to the wall. So let's get started. First, take a deep breath. Exhale. This workout will help you to improve your knees, lower back, legs. It is something useful. Inhale deeply first. Let's have good support with your right arm. Elevate our heels from the ground first. Hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release. Another one. Inhale. Exhale. Elevate. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. Then you place your arms on the wall, open your legs towards the side. From the wall you should be like 50, 60 centimeters. As long as your arms are straight, it is enough. Inhale first. Elevate your heels off the ground first and hold. Squeeze your butt forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here we need to keep our heels elevated. We're gonna slightly bend our right knee towards the side. We're gonna bring it back and then left. Nice and smooth. 3, 4. You should push your knee outside. 5, 6. Don't lean too much if your knees are weak. 7, 8. Nice. 9. You're gonna do 12. 10, 11. One more. 12. And down. The next one, we're gonna do squat. We're gonna squat down. Inhale, elevating our heels off the ground. We're gonna squat down as low as possible and up. Heels should be always elevated. Our arms are supporting our body. Arms are on the wall. 3, 4, 5. Breathe. 6. Nice. 7. Go ahead. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Awesome. The next one will be, we're going to activate our knees, legs. Very good. Leg square. From here we're going to elevate our heels off the ground. From here slightly we're going to bend our knees forward. Keep holding this shape. You need to support your body like with your right arm, but if you can do it properly without support. But first, just have good support. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here you slowly lower yourself. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go all down. Take a deep breath. Exhale, back up again to the middle. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Higher. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Nice one. Take a deep breath. Exhale. The next one, we're going to add lower back with strength. Leg square. We're going to elevate our heels. We're going to bend our right foot off the ground. From here we're going to drive our left foot down first. Then we're going to push up from the left and then open back from the right. Down, down, up, back, back, down. Here we go. 12. 1, 2. Knee towards the side. 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6, 7. 12 on each side. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Release. Take a deep breath. Same thing on the other side. Bend and get ready. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and release. Nice. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Okay, moving towards the next one. First, we're gonna elevate both heels. The left leg, go fully straight. Then we're gonna bend our right knee forward, your left heel touch the ground and back. 10, and 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing, we drive towards the side, we're gonna do the same towards the side. Your right knee is opening forward. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. We're gonna switch side. Exhale. Same. First forward, left arm goes towards the ground, right leg forward, elevate your left heel, start to bend your knee, and 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, push. 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, towards the side, and 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Awesome. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. The last one will be, I want you to do what? First, we're gonna bend our knees slightly. We're gonna elevate our heels off the ground. From here, we will start pushing from the right, bending our left. Push the right up, bending the left, and back again. So always elevating the foot, elevating your heels. Inhale, 12 on each side. And with wall support, 3, 4, push, 5, 6, 7, hard, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and release. And then we're gonna switch. We're gonna go from the left, inhale. Same thing, elevate, bend it, left push, right goes up, and 2, 3, high, 4, nice. Elevating your heel, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, release. Awesome. This is something very useful for your lower back, lower body, knees. After that, you did quick stretch. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. And let's finish with Nordic lunge. I think you should be familiar with this. So just drive your hip forward, keep your legs square, and then fall backwards. And 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push your hip forward. Engage your core, lower back. 8, 9, 10, and back up. That's it. Nice one. This is simple practice, quick practice at home you can do using a chair, using a wall, that will help you to maintain good health of your legs, knees. Maybe you are older, so try to do less reps, take care of your joints, ligaments, move slower, have better feeling of your body. So don't forget, your body is your clock. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Peace out, my friends.